Hi and welcome back. I've just bought a cheap Mini. Let's have a look at it. So this is what I bought. It's a 2010 60 plate Mini Cooper automatic. Now the Mini Cooper automatics are really good sellers. They always sell well. And this one has got a head gasket problem. So it says please read description. 76,000 miles. It says turns over, starts, doesn't recommend driving because it's got, what does it say? It doesn't actually say there, but there is a picture somewhere with some mayonnaise. There you go. So the car is overheated. Well, this is bread and butter to us. We do this all the time, and that's fine. Now, what I've actually bought, the description's hilarious. Here it says, the car runs on petrol and has a number of doors. That's AI descriptions for you. Anyway, the car bodywork looks good. The interior looks fine. It's got sunroof as well. Now, what I've also done to make sure I'm not buying a pup, I've done a HPI check. So this is the HPI check. It's a Cooper Auto, 6 former Coopers. It does not have finance on it, and it's not been written off. Well, that's really important. But look at this. It's got nearly 5 grand's worth of optional extras. Now that's pretty good. Added to which, the cap clean on the car is $2,300. Now I've paid £1,000 for this car, and even below is for $1,450, and retail is $4,100. Well, with those extras, I actually think it's nearer $5,000. But that's that. Now the downside, the big downside, right, is this car is in Chichester, which is 3 hours away from me if you don't stop, and there's no traffic. So realistically, it's 4 hours each way. Now I've got my recovery guy, Andy the Snail, going to go down on Tuesday to pick this up, and he's charging me 400 quid for this. Well, it's 150 quid in diesel, isn't it? And 8 hours. So you know what? I'll pay it, not a problem. So we'll see when it arrives what exactly what it is I bought. Well, here he is. Look, Andy the Snail's just arrived. How'd he go, Andy?
All right, mate. Sounds about.
So up at 4:30 to get here. What is it now? 2 o'clock. That's a hell of a journey. Yeah. Oh, smoke rings. Look at that. Will it live? Right, so it looks like we're dealing with... oh, wow. Ooh. That's completely full. That's the worst I've ever seen. Oh my. This thing is running. I've never seen anything like it. Well, here we are then. So what's happened is the core plug has come out. So where I'm pointing in there should be a core plug. Water just comes straight out of there, straight into the sump, and whoever had the car, I think, has just been continuing to top it up with water because they were losing water. And hence we've got this. So something's dropped. God dear. We're going to rebuild this engine, so because it's all so messy, new piston rings in it and new big end bearings. There it is, all done. I'm really pleased with this. It's cleaned up nicely, and the engine is now rebuilt and running well. So bodywork, it's not bad at all. There's a few bumps and bruises here and there. So the question is what to ask for it. Now the only fault I found on the car is the sunroof doesn't work. So do I spend extra money on that to get it working, or do I discount the car and sell it with a faulty roof? I think I'm going to do that. Let's start it up and see what it sounds like, see what comes out the back. Here we go then. Sounds okay, doesn't it? All the lights are going out. Let's see what the exhaust is like. You remember when we first had the car, it was a bit of a smoke machine. Not anymore. So I'm really pleased with this. I'm going to ask, I think, 4K for this car. It's worth probably 5K in immaculate condition. There are some bumps and bruises. Sunroof doesn't work. We got it for a good price. We've obviously spent money on it, but I think there's still a lot of good profit in the car at 4K, and it'd be very attractive in the market. I'd be interested to know your thoughts. Please let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.